What's up guys, Lone Wolf here. This is the second part of how to rekey a 95 Volkswagen Golf. My previous video I showed you guys how to replace the ignition switch, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace this door handle. All you will need is a T30 bit, which I have right here. So we're going to take this out just like this. This is super simple. Some tutorials show you have to take this off and the whole door panel, and that's not the case. So we're going to take that off, push the door handle back, bring it forward. Sorry if it's a little shaky, I don't have a tripod or anything. And we're going to bring it forward and just pull up. Now, when you're putting it back in, this metal bar here is what's connected to the interior door handle. You're going to want to put the rear of the door handle in, or technically the front, I guess. And what you're going to want to do is reach in here with a small screwdriver, pull this bar all the way forward, just like this. I'm going to cut here because I need to put the phone down for a second. Okay, so once you put that bar in place, you can push the door handle in. You're going to have to kind of push the actual locking mechanism on the inside over to line up and turn the key counterclockwise just a little bit so it'll drop into place. You just click it in, click the handle in, and you want to slide it forward to where, you know, all your old paint scratch marks line up. And then we're just going to put the T30 screw back into the door, like so. Test to make sure that your key is in there right, and you can actually lock and unlock the door. And we're going to test it. Literally a 2-minute job.